Welcome to the Robo Robots Red Light Green Light game. Right now, you and up to 5 other players are probably waiting in some line for the game to start. But before we go, let's run through some rules, shall we? You have 1 minute to cross the red line in front of you. Players who are unable to cross the line within 1 minute will be eliminated. The minute will be split up into multiple rounds. A new round starts when you see the green light on the screen and ends when you see the red light on the screen. Another good indicator of when to walk is when you hear this sound. When this sound ends, the round is over. If you are caught moving after a round ends, you will be eliminated. If you are caught moving before a new round begins, you will be eliminated. If there are multiple players after the game ends, the game will be decided by me, the robot, using a random number generator. The player who loses his final tiebreaker will be eliminated. The round will start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,